Today, I'll show you how to create a Google Cloud API key. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each part of the process means, and how to safely copy your new key for use in your project. First, make sure you're signed into your Google Cloud account in your web browser and that you've selected the project you want to work with. Your API key is always tied to a specific project, so double check the project name at the top of the Google Cloud console before you continue. If you pick the wrong project, you can change it from the project selector at the top of the page. Once you're in the correct project, look over to the left side of the screen for the main navigation panel. This is the menu that lists options like home, billing, and so on. From this navigation panel, you're going to move into the section where all your APIs are managed. In this video, you'll learn how to do that by going to APIs and Services, then choosing Credentials. Go ahead and click APIs and Services. If you don't see it right away, it may be under a More Products drop-down or a similar section, depending on how your console is laid out. When you click it, a submenu will appear. From that submenu, select Credentials. This page is where Google Cloud keeps track of all your keys, OAuth clients, and service accounts for the current project. On the Credentials page, you might already see a list of existing keys, or it might be blank if this is a brand new project. Either way, what you want now is the button that says Create Credentials. You'll usually find this near the top of the page. Click Create Credentials to open a small menu of options. I'm going to walk you through how to choose the correct option from that menu. You'll see several choices such as OAuth client ID, service account, and API key. For this tutorial, you want to select API key. An API key is a simple string that your app sends with its request so Google Cloud can identify which project the traffic belongs to. It's great for server-to-server communication, testing, or simple setups, but you should always protect it and avoid exposing it in public code repositories or client-side code when possible. As soon as you click API key, Google Cloud will generate a new key for you. A small dialog box will pop up showing the key value. This is your new API key. At this stage, Google might also show a warning encouraging you to restrict the key. That's an important best practice, but it's not a separate step in this basic flow. Just be aware that after creating the key, you can return to this screen later to limit which APIs it can call, which websites or IP addresses can use it, and so on. For now, focus on copying the key so you can use it in your app or configuration. I'll show you the easiest way to do that. In the dialog that appears, look for the copy icon or button next to the key. Click it once and the entire key string will be copied to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it into your application's configuration file, environment, variables, or wherever your setup requires. Once you've copied the key, you can close the dialog. Remember, you can always return to the APIs and Services and then Credentials page later if you need to view, rotate, restrict, or delete this key. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created and copied a Google Cloud API key.